Have you ever wondered what makes the lion the king of the jungle? It's a title that's not handed out lightly, especially in the wild where survival is the ultimate test. Lions have long held a prestigious position in the animal kingdom, their majestic prowess symbolizing strength, courage, and nobility. Lions' reputation continues to be immortalized in modern-day Hollywood films. They're not just symbols, though. Lions are complex creatures with fascinating behaviors and characteristics, some of which may surprise you. In this video, we're going to delve into the lesser-known facts about these majestic beasts. We'll explore their social structure, understand the power of their roar, decode their hunting strategy, and even discover their sleeping habits. So if ready to journey into the wild, stay tuned as we unravel the fascinating world of lions. Unlike most members of the cat family, lions lead a surprisingly social life. This is where lions truly stand out from their feline kin. They are not lone hunters, skulking in the shadows. Instead, they form complex social structures, known as prides, that are unique in the world of big cats. A pride consists of multiple related females, their cubs, and a small number of adult males. The size of a pride can vary greatly, from a humble family of 4 to an impressive gathering of over 30 lions. Within these prides, lions display a level of social interaction rarely seen among other cats. Now let's delve a little deeper into the roles within the pride. The male lions, with their iconic manes, are the protectors. They guard the pride's territory against rival males, marking their dominion with mighty roars and scent markings. While they might look like the kings of the jungle, their reign is often short-lived. On average, a male lion has a tenure of about 2 to 4 years before being ousted by another male. On the other hand, female lions or lionesses are the heart and soul of the pride. They are responsible for hunting and raising the cubs. Despite being smaller than their male counterparts, lionesses are incredibly skilled hunters. They work together in coordinated groups, using complex hunting strategies to bring down prey. Lion cubs are raised communally within the pride. Cubs are often seen playing together, learning the skills they'll need as adults, and forming bonds that will last a lifetime. The communal upbringing of cubs is another aspect of lion behavior that is unique and fascinating. This social structure, unique among big cats, is one of the reasons why lions are such fascinating creatures. Their complex social interactions, the division of roles within the pride, and their communal upbringing of cubs all make lions stand out from the crowd. It's a testament to their adaptability and a key to their survival in the wild. So next time you see a lion, remember, they're not just big cats, they're social cats, living in a world that's full of interaction, cooperation, and community. This social structure, unique among big cats, is one of the reasons why lions are such fascinating creatures. The lion's roar is not just a show of power, but it also serves a critical purpose. Let's explore the world of lions from the perspective of their roars. A lion's roar is one of the most powerful and iconic sounds in the animal kingdom. But it's not a mere exhibition of strength. It's a complex form of communication that serves a multitude of purposes. Imagine the vast plains of the African savannah. A lion's roar can be heard echoing over 5 miles away. That's roughly the distance from the Statue of Liberty to Central Park in New York City. This exceptional range is a testament to the power of a lion's roar, but it also serves a purpose. By roaring, lions establish their territory, alerting other lions to their presence and warning them to keep their distance. However, a roar is not only a warning sign, it's also a beacon, a call to arms, if you will. Lions use their roars to communicate with their pride. If a lion has strayed from its pride, a roar can guide it back home. It's like a homing signal, a GPS for lions. Now let's delve a little deeper. Ever wondered why a lion's roar is so chilling, so hair-raising? It's because the roar of a lion has a low frequency that feels more like a vibration than a sound. This frequency travels long distances and penetrates the dense vegetation of the lion's habitat. It's designed to demand attention, and it certainly does. So, a lion's roar is not just a powerful spectacle, it's a strategic tool for survival, a means of communication, a territorial marker, and a homing beacon. It's an integral part of the lion's life, reflecting the majestic and complex nature of these magnificent beasts. The next time you hear a lion's roar, remember it's more than just a display of power. Despite their reputation as fearsome hunters, lions don't always do the heavy lifting. In fact, it's the lionesses who are the primary hunters in a pride, shouldering up to 90% of the hunting responsibilities. With their lighter bodies and camouflaging tawny coats, they are built for stealth and speed, making them perfect for the job. lions employ a unique hunting strategy that's all about team effort. You see, unlike solitary predators that rely on stealth and surprise, lions use a more cooperative approach. Their hunting strategy is essentially a two-part process: stalking and chasing. During the stalking phase, lionesses use the natural terrain to their advantage, creeping as close as possible to their unsuspecting prey. They move with a remarkable grace and patience, inching forward bit by bit, blending seamlessly into the tall grasses of the savannah. Once they're within striking distance, that's when the chase begins. A lioness will burst from her cover, using her powerful legs to sprint towards the startled prey. The chase is typically short-lived, as lions are built more for power than endurance. But here's where the teamwork comes into play. While one or two lionesses initiate the chase, others position themselves around the prey, ready to ambush. This cooperative strategy effectively cuts off potential escape routes, increasing the pride's chances of a successful hunt. However, hunting is not always a guaranteed success. In fact, lions only succeed in making a kill around a quarter of the time. But when they do, it's a feast for the entire pride, from the dominant males to the playful cubs. So while the king of the jungle may get the lion's share of the credit, it's often the lionesses who are the true queens of the hunt. They are the strategists, the stalkers, the chasers, and ultimately, the providers. In the world of lions, it's teamwork that makes the dream work. Ever heard the phrase, "sleep like a lion"? There's more truth to it than you might think. Lions, the majestic rulers of the savannah, are actually among the biggest sleepers in the animal kingdom. You see, an adult lion spends an astonishing 16 to 20 hours a day in slumber. That's right, these ferocious felines are out cold for the majority of their day, and it's not because they're lazy. This extensive sleep pattern is essential to a lion's survival. Their lives in the wild are filled with strenuous activities like hunting, defending their territory, and taking care of cubs. These exertions require a massive amount of energy. So to conserve their strength and stay ready for their energetic bursts, lions sleep almost the entire day. Interestingly, lions are not deep sleepers. They are light sleepers, always alert to the sounds of the savannah. At the slightest hint of danger or the prospect of a meal, a lion can wake up and spring into action in a matter of seconds. This is a crucial survival instinct that keeps them on top of the food chain. The pattern of their sleep also varies with their environment. While lions in the wild sleep up to 20 hours a day, those in captivity tend to sleep less. This could be due to the lack of need to hunt or defend territories, or the regular feeding schedules provided by their caretakers. It's also worth noting that lionesses, the primary hunters in a pride, might have different sleep patterns, especially when they have cubs. They may stay awake longer to care for their young or to hunt, ensuring the survival of their pride. So, you see, their extensive sleep is not a sign of laziness, but a strategic adaptation for survival in the wild. It's a delicate balance of rest and readiness that makes these kings and queens of the jungle so efficient and successful. So, the next time you're caught napping, just say you're sleeping like a lion. So, what have we learned about the king of the jungle today? We've traversed the wild plains of Africa, uncovering the intricate social structures of lions. These majestic creatures have shown us that they are not solitary prowlers, but social beings, living and hunting in prides. We have explored the power of a lion's roar, a resonating call that serves multiple purposes, from territory marking to rallying lost pride members. We've been privy to the strategic hunting techniques of these magnificent beasts, revealing their intelligence and teamwork. The lionesses leading the hunt while the males guard their territory, a perfect example of division of labor in the wild. And who could forget the lion's sleep? These powerful predators spend a surprising amount of time snoozing, proving that even the king of the beasts needs his rest. The next time you think of the king of the jungle, remember, there's more to lions than meets the eye.